So far in the Unexplored Goa series, we have looked at a market, a footbridge, a waterfall, a viewpoint, and a beach. And let's explore some more before we leave for South Goa. I have to hand over the scooty back to the person on time. That's the reason I thought that without wasting any time, though Dona Paula was before Miramar while I was returning, but as Dona Paula was closed, instead of waiting there and wasting time, I thought of coming to Miramar. So now let's go to Dona Paula. Time हुआ है 7:52. Let's check what time it opens. So guys, Dona Paula opens at 8 a.m. I just checked on Google. So as per Google Maps, Dona Paula opens at 8 a.m. Now we are leaving from Miramar Beach. Now, as we have left Miramar Beach, I am here at my rental scooty casino. I miss my Aerox. I really miss my Aerox. Not that Fasino is bad, it is lightweight, it does perform well, but Aerox के अपने ही मज़े हैं यार. So we have reached at Dona Paula viewpoint, 50 per adult and 25 per head for minors. So now let's enter. So like we just seen, the timing is 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Just in case you want to come here, the timing is 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And this is the view. Like I told you, it is worth visiting during daytime. I couldn't get to come here during the day. But yes, this is Dona Paula. There are seats here also, down. Yeah, it is a good place to visit, see. So you will find all the rich culture and less of the party crowd in near Panjim, Miramar, Dona Paula. Panjim being the capital city of Goa. See, here also there are seats. Panjim being the capital city of Goa, it is rich cultured, and things here are not very reasonable in terms of off season. Also, I am paying 500 per day for scooty. So these are the steps. You can take these stairs. Okay, you can go from that way, that end as well. So you will find these figurines here. There's this one more staircase. So there is no one here on top. No one. You can see no one is here on top. And this is amazing. So last, yeah, this white property I was trying to show you when we were down, this is actually not that, sorry, just next to that. If you can see this place here, this is a place to dine. This is a place to dine. See, I'm not sure if anybody is aware of the name of this place, because I tried to zoom. The first word is C, second word I'm not able to figure out. So So it's sunny here. Even though we have come right at 8 a.m. in the morning, it's quite sunny. You can see there is nobody here, nobody at all. It's just you and me here. Last when I climbed here in 2024 December, when I came here in the night, I was a bit tired after climbing. Reason being that I didn't have a scooty then. I walked all the way from Karanzalem. Our stay was near Karanzalem, so I walked right from Karanzalem till Dona Paula. It is not that long as a walk, but when you walk for a while and then you start climbing, so it does feel a little tired, especially on the day when you have traveled, where you have compromised a lot of your sleep and a lot of your time dehydrating yourself. So that is when you actually feel that. And I loved coming here early in the morning. So it's 8 a.m. and you have a good view of Dona Paula. I am not going to fly my drone here because there might be restrictions on flying it here, and I don't want to lose that because I have many things for you when I am heading to South Goa today. So right when I go back to the property, all I have to do is just pack a little of it, whatever is out, mostly my vlogging kits and electronics, and then all I need to do is grab something to eat. Maybe I could do that on my way back because I don't think I'll be eating on my property. So I'll be doing that maybe on my way back if I find something, or maybe on the same place where I actually had my breakfast yesterday, because that is open 24/7. So I don't need to head to any other place. If I don't find any other, I can go back to that place. And let's rush to give our scooty. गाइज़, मैं आपको सोलो ट्रैवलिंग की ना एक टिप देती हूँ, जितना हो सके उतना कम टाइम पास करो, और अगर थोड़ा हेडेक हो रहा होगा तो थोड़ी देर रेस्ट ज़रूर करो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग सोलो you are your own responsibility. No one is going to come for a lookout, so you need to take care of yourself. Keep yourself hydrated. मेरी तरह गलती मत करना. पानी, सोडा, कुछ ना कुछ लिक्विड ही आइटम अपने पास रखो which can keep you hydrated, and do not miss your meals. So because if you are used to doing something on a regular basis and suddenly all of a sudden at a point of time if you are skipping that, the entire next day or the same day gets ruined. So please keep that in mind. And now I am going to my hotel to submit my scooty, and then we will check out and head to South Goa. So let's head to my hotel, submit the scooty, and then leave for South Goa.